Start germinating seeds indoors in late winter or outdoors in early spring. Buy a fully ripe rock melon and take out its seeds and wash them. You can plant fresh seeds straight from a cantaloupe directly in soil. If you buy seeds from a garden shop, soak them in water overnight before planting them. Position: where to plant seeds. Choose a sunny spot in your garden or balcony where the plants can receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. In the absence of sunlight, the plant's growth will be less and may not produce flowers and fruits. Prepare the soil. Rock melons grows best in well-draining, fertile soil. Add some organic matter such as compost or cow manure in soil to improve fertility and drainage. The sand makes the soil free draining and the compost makes it nutrition rich. Pot size. Choose a large pot having drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. When to plant seeds. If you live in a warm climate, sow seeds directly into the garden or in a pot in a sunny location in early spring. Plant the seeds about 1 cm deep, 12 to 18 inch apart and water well. In cooler climate, plant the seeds in a small pot indoors 3 to 4 weeks before the last expected frost date. The seeds will germinate in 7 to 10 days when the soil temperature is above 21 degrees Celsius. The seeds will not germinate below this temperature. Watering. Water the plant daily when they are young. Then water when the soil is dry about 1 inch below the surface. Test this by inserting your finger in soil. Ensure that the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged, especially during the flowering and fruiting stages. Water deeply in the early morning or late afternoon. Avoid watering on the leaves to reduce the risk of diseases. Apply a layer of mulch such as straw or wood chips or sugarcane around the base of the plants to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilizer. Feed a nitrogen-rich fertilizer to promote vigorous growth. Feed a fertilizer higher in phosphorus and potassium when flowers appear. I also feed a liquid fertilizer like power feed every 2 weeks after flowering until harvesting. Rock melon plants produce long vines that can spread across the ground. To save space, you can train the vines to grow vertically on a trellis. This also helps improve air circulation and reduce the risk of disease. Insects. Pruning. Remove any damaged or diseased leaves. Prune excess foliage to improve air circulation and also to allow more sunlight to the fruit. Pests and diseases. The vine is susceptible to aphids, grasshoppers, beetles, leaf miners and fungal diseases. Spray neem oil to control insects. Mix 1 milliliter neem oil and 1 milliliter liquid soap in 1 liter water to make neem oil spray. Prevent fungal disease by ensuring good air circulation, avoiding overhead watering and applying fungicides. Flowers and fruits. The vine will produce both male and female flowers in a month's time after planting. This flower is a male flower which has pollen. This flower has a tiny fruit at the base. It is a female flower. The flowers are pollinated by bees. You can hand pollinate by using a small paintbrush, transferring pollen from a male flower to a female flower. Harvesting. Cantaloupes grown from seed will be ready for harvesting in 12 to 18 weeks after planting. A single vine can grow 2 to 5 melons depending on the variety. If your melons are growing on the ground, put some hay or straw below the fruit to prevent rot. When to harvest fruit? To know if the melons are ready to harvest, rub your hand on the fruit. It should have rough structure. The fruit should have a sweet aroma. The ripe fruit easily separates from the vine with a gentle twist. Storing. Store harvested rock melons at room temperature for a few days to allow them to fully ripen. Keep them away from apples and bananas to prevent premature ripening. Once ripe, they can be stored in the fridge to slow down ripening and maintain freshness for up to a week. You can store cut pieces in a vacuum sealed bag or in an airtight container with a plastic wrap to retain moisture and then place in the fridge for a longer period. Please let me know from where are you watching, and if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Please tell me if you want me to make a video on any specific topic. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.